Okay, children, good morning. I am Srinija, your math teacher from Shine India School. In the previous classes, we have to discuss the addition of two-digit number by using the expanded form and addition by using the column method. And today we have to discuss the story problems, how to do the addition. If the story sum is given, how to do the addition. If the together all put into is the total like this, this is called the addition sums. Okay, if two numbers is given, if the all together are put together are total like this sum, they are asking like that only addition sums. What is Neeraj? Okay, like that we have to do the story sums. First you have to read the story sum, you have to understand the sum, afterwards you start the whether the sum is addition or not once you check it. Okay, today we have to discuss about that. Just wait, children. Okay, children, this is the airport. Okay, two-digit numbers. This is the airport. 14 yellow aeroplanes are there and 25 blue aeroplanes are there in the airport. How many aeroplanes are there in all? How many aeroplanes are there in all? Now there are 14 yellow aeroplanes and 25 blue aeroplanes at the airport. How many aeroplanes are there in all the airport? 14 yellow aeroplanes and 25 blue aeroplanes are there. Total we are asking how many aeroplanes are there in the airport. First you have to write that numbers. First you have to write that numbers. Now 14 yellow aeroplanes. 14 yellow aeroplanes. One is in one's place and 4 is in one's place. 25 aeroplanes. Add these two numbers. 4 plus 5. 5 is in your mind. Take 4. 4 plus 5. 9. And 2 plus 1. 3. Total aeroplanes are 39 aeroplanes. There are 39 aeroplanes are in all the at the airport. Now 39 aeroplanes are there in that airport. And the next one, here the gate A and here the gate B. 33 trolleys are there near gate A and gate B. 57 trolleys are there. Total how many trolleys are there? Okay, gate A and gate B. Now tens and ones you have to write the place value block. 33 and 57. After you have to add that number. In the ones place column 3 and 7 is there. You have to add that two numbers 3 and 7. 7 is in your mind. Take 3 fingers. 8, 9, 10. 10 is the two-digit number. 10 tens equals to 110 plus 0 ones. Now 0 ones you write in the ones place column. 110 is carry forwarding to the tens place column. Okay, in the tens place you had 1. Now 1 plus 3 plus 5. We have to add the three numbers. Okay, 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 1 9. Total how many trolleys are there? 90 trolleys are there. Now there are 90 trolleys in all. Okay, now you have 24 chocolates are there. If your brother gave to 10 chocolates, how many chocolates you have? How many chocolates you have? In the ones place, here is the tens place. Okay, in the ones place 4 and 0 is there. In the ones place 4 and 0, if any number add with 0, you get that number only. If any number add with 0, you get that number only. Now 4 plus 0 is 4 only. In the tens place 2 plus 1. Okay, in the tens place 2 plus 1. 2 is in your mind and take 1. You get 34. Now 72 and 72 and 19. You have to add these two numbers. Okay, now this is the ones place and this is the tens place. Okay, first in the ones place 2 plus 9. The biggest number you keep in your mind and add 2. Biggest number is 9 and take 2 fingers. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. In this 11 number, how many tens and ones are there? Here, 1 10 and 1 1. 1 10 and 1. Now, in the ones place, 1 is writing here in the ones place column and 10 is carry forwarding to the tens place column. 10 is carry forwarding to the tens place column. Now 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. Now the number is 91. 56 and 28. Add these two numbers, children. How to add these two numbers? Okay, this is the ones place column and this is the tens place column. Okay, now in the 6 and 8 is there. Okay, now biggest number keep in your mind. Biggest number keep in your mind and the small number take the fingers. 8 plus 6. 6 fingers you have to take out. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 14 means 110 and 4 ones. Okay, 4 you write in the ones place column. 110 is carry forward into the tens place column. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Now 84. Children, 67, 17. You have to add these numbers. Okay, this is the ones place and this is the tens place. 7 plus 7. Okay, you have to 7 in your mind. Take 7 fingers. 7 is in your mind. Take 7 fingers. 7 plus 7, 14 only. 7 plus 7, 14 only. 4, you write in this 14. This is the 10 and 4 ones. Okay, these ones is writing in the ones place column. 10 is carry forwarding to the tens place column. Now 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, 7 plus 1, 8. Now 56 plus 23. How to do this addition? Okay, 6 plus 3, 6 plus 3. 6 is in your mind. 6 is in your mind. 6 is in your mind. Take 3 fingers. 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now move to the tens place column. In the tens place column, 5 and 2 is there. 5 is in your mind. 5 is in your mind. Take 2. 5 is in your mind. Take 2. 5 plus 2, 7 only. Now the number is 79. And the next one is Rohit has 62 toffees. Rohit has 62 toffees. He gets 9 more toffees. 9 more toffees. How many toffees does he have in total? Rohit has 62 toffees. Okay. He gets 9 more toffees. How many toffees does he have in total? Total, he have how many toffees are there? Now, biggest number keep in your mind. Biggest number keep in your mind. And the small number take the fingers. Now, biggest number is 9. 9 is in your mind. 9 is in your mind. Take 2. 2 fingers. 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 equals to 11 only. In this 11, 1 10 and 1 1. In this 11, 1 10 and 1 1. Now 1 1 is writing down and 1 10 is now 110 is carry forwarding to the tens place column. Now 1 plus 6, 7. Now the answer is 71. Okay. Now Rohit has total how many toffees are there? 71 toffees. Okay. And the next one is Sheena has 62 bananas and he gave and bananas none. 62 bananas and she has another fruits also. Now 9 govas. Okay, how many fruits she have in total? How many fruits she have in total? Now Sheena has 62 bananas and 9 govas. 62 bananas and 9 govas. Total how many? Now 9 is in your mind. 9 is in your mind. Take 2 fingers. 9 plus 2, 11. One is right in one's place column and another one is carry forwarding to the tens place column. Now 1 plus 1, 1 plus 6 is 7. 71. Now today's our aim is solve the word problems and addition of 2-digit and 1-digit numbers. Now solve 38 plus 9. Now solve 38 plus 9. Now this is the tens place and this is the ones place. 8 plus 9. Okay. Now that is 17. 9 is in your mind. Take 8 fingers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. In this 17, 7 is right in your ones place column. 1 is carry forwarding to the tens place column. Now 1 plus 3, 47. Okay, 1 plus 3, 47. Now there are 22 boys and 9 girls in a class. How many students are there in the class? In that class, 22 boys are there. Don't touch the screen, children. 22 boys are there and 9 girls are there. 9 girls. If the total asking, okay, now you have to add these two. Total is asking 22 plus 9. First, this is the ones place column and this is the tens place column. Ones place column 9 plus 2. 9 is keep in your mind. Take 2 fingers. 10, 11. 1 is writing here and 1 is carry forwarding here. 1 plus 2, 3 only. Now the answer is 31 students are there. Now the next one is 34 pencils. Rajan has 34 pencils. His sister Radhika has 5 pencils. Okay. Rajan has 34 pencils and his sister Radhika has 5 pencils. How many pencils do they have? How many pencils do they have? Now this is the ones place and this is the tens place. Now you have to add 4 plus 5. 5 is in your mind. Take 4 fingers. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 3. The answer is 39. Okay. Now 22 boys are there and 9 girls are there. Here total 22 plus 9. You have to add, you get the 31 students are there. Okay. Rajan has 34 pencil and Radhika has 5 pencils. Number of pencils with Rajan has 34 and number of pencils with Radhika has 5. Total number of pencils are 34 plus 5. Okay. Total pencils is 39 only. Madhu has 25 dolls. Her mother bought 5 more dolls. How many dolls does have? Now 25 dolls. 25 dolls. Her mother gave 5 dolls, 5 more dolls. Total dolls he is asking. This is the ones place and this is the tens place. Now 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 equals to 5 is in your mind. Take 5 fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 0 is here and 1 is carry forwarding to the tens place column. Now 1 plus 2 is 3. 30. Okay. Madhu has total how many dolls are there? 30 dolls are there. Okay. Today we have to discuss the story sums and the next class also we will discuss these total block once again we have to discuss. Okay. I will send the worksheet. You have to complete the given worksheet. Okay children, bye.